what are we showing here between these two?
So you have here two different machines. One is running a FirePro graphic card, one is running a Radeon graphic card, so workstation versus consumer. On the left side, it's running a W5000 FirePro.
So it's doing 64.
And we are using fraps here to show you the frame rate. So, I mean, the first thing that jumps to your eye is the quality of the visual. Here, Real View is enabled because on the FirePro, on the driver, we have all the graphics quality, the eye candy, the reflection, the self-shadowing. You can see here the reflection of the scene, the Real View materials with the reflections and the appearances. Of course, on the consumer card, these are not available. So you can see the model is very crude. It's just like flat lighting.
And you've got 8
and the frame rate is much slower. Why? Because when we worked with Solidworks on the driver, we made a lot of optimization to support VBO, not only for the model but also for the edges. So it speeds up the rendering dramatically. You can see like by a factor of almost 10 here.
And you've got the driver information? So
yes, so I open the driver here for you. You can see here that we are not lying. It's a FirePro graphics running here a W5000, which is not even the top of the line. This is a mid-range.
Right, so that's what's that, $500?
Well, yeah, around 500 public price. This one is the top of the line consumer, it's the HD 7700. So this is the best one. This is a high quality. So they are not even a match in terms of power, and even though you can see the difference. So for about the same price, I think this one is even a little cheaper. You can get great quality and great performance.
Thank you. And could you show us how to get the settings inside SolidWorks, the actual
of course, we can actually compare. If I stop the animation for a second here, you can see here that because it's a FirePro, you have the Real View menu. If I disable Real View, you will see that we are back to what the actual consumer card is showing us. And on the consumer side, you will see that this is not available. Real View is not available in the menu. So this is like a telltale of, do I have a FirePro or consumer?
Okay. And just things like anti-aliasing and everything only work on the Real View?
That's correct. So here, if I want to enable it, so I don't know if you can see the aliasing. So the way to enable anti-aliasing in SolidWorks, you have to close all documents first. So I'm going to do that quickly. And you can go in Tool, Options, and in the Quality, Display Selection, here you can ask for full scene anti-aliasing. Again, this would be disabled and not available on a consumer card. Something which is pretty cool also is the ambient occlusion. Again, something that is only available on the FirePro. I'm going to open the model again, and you will notice the edge now. I will get back. So it's loading. When Real View kick in, the model is loaded. Here we go. So I don't know if you can tell now, but see, the edge is much smoother. And
can you show you can't load that in that one as well? Just
the options?
Yes.
So same thing. I mean, I will close just to show you that we are doing exactly the same thing. And if I go here in, so full scene anti-aliasing here is disabled, and ambient occlusion is disabled. Actually, that's the next thing I wanted to show you, the ambient occlusion on this. So if I put Real View on, and I can ask for an extra level of so just put in perspective, ambient occlusion is some kind of simulation of the occlusion of the light. And see, we have it here in real time. So this is entirely done on a GPU. So this is something else that is not available, of course, on the...
And it's really quite useful when you're designing products like this, because you can see how the light's hitting it. So if something's in the darkness and you can't see something by...
Totally. You can tell, for example, here, with just a flat lighting, this would receive as much light as this, so you couldn't really tell what is in front of what. So this is a really good, it's giving you like an extra clue. You can see here, this should not be as light as here, because it's like kind of under, or even this little sunken part here. So that's what ambient occlusion give you this kind of extra level of realism.
It makes modelling easier as well, and the performance is excellent, you know, considering you're doing that in real time.
And it is real time, yeah.
I appreciate that, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you.